Welcome to the step-by-step demo of the Amazon Basics front-load washing machine. After plugging in the washing machine, open the door, place your clothes inside the drum and close the door. Now, open the detergent tray and add detergent in first or second section. Then, add the fabric softener in the middle section. Adding the fabric softener is optional. Now, select a wash program by rotating the knob. You can set the temperature, RPM and rinse time as per your need or decide to go with the pre-default settings. Press the Start button to begin the wash cycle. The machine comes with multiple features to suit different washing requirements. In the daily wash program, you can choose from 3 different wash cycles: 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 45 minutes. By using the Delay Start program, you can schedule the wash cycle at the time of your convenience. Simply enter the number of hours and the machine will take care of the rest. With the Extra Rinse Wash program, you can increase the rinse time and remove those extra tough stains. The Spin Speed program gives you the luxury to choose the speed of the spin cycle from 400 rpm to 1200 rpm as per the fabric requirement. The machine comes with a Drum Clean program that automatically cleans the drum at the press of a button. It is very easy to clean the detergent tray as well. First, remove the detergent tray and clean the tray slot from inside. Then clean the detergent tray to remove scaling and insert the tray back. You can also clean the drain area easily. Gently remove the tray located at the bottom of the machine. Now, rotate the knob anti-clockwise to remove it. Then, clean the drain area and the knob as well before inserting the knob back. Lastly, insert the tray back. This brings us to the end of this demo video. For more help and details, visit the product detail page or contact the customer care.